Hello everyone, this is Dots Locks. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 101 of the hashtag 365 hour series. Today's lock is Brass Tool. Sorry, I should show that first, by a Humboldt picker. So I'm going to attempt to pick it in the hand if I can. It's a delicate little number, but I'm going to try. Just try not to drop the tensioner or the lock. It's quite a delicate balance. Lost the full set there. Very difficult to hold in the hand. I try to do it in the vise, but I struggle. I don't get the same feel for it in the vise. And there we go. Just under 2 minutes. I'll take it. Probably could have done it a bit quicker if I'd have managed to keep the bloody thing in my hand. But yeah, nice little pick actually. Very nice little challenge lock Humboldt picker, so thank you very much. I'm happy with that. So yeah, Brass Tool, a Humboldt picker, opened, SPP eventually in the hand. So yeah, happy with that. Hope everyone enjoyed that one. I hope everyone has an amazing day. That's it from me. See you later.